Hello, this is how to get Google Drive on your iPad. First, we're going to go to Self-Service, which is on the bottom right. The Self-Service app has lots of apps to install. Please do not install a million apps on your iPad, only the most important ones. You don't want to use up all your space. The apps are listed in alphabetical order, so we're going to go to Google Drive. Now mine says reinstall because I've already installed it, but yours will say install. So you tap on install and then you wait for it to install. Then you tap your home button to get out of self-service. After your Google Drive installs all the way, it might take a few minutes, you tap on it and you have to sign in. Press continue. Please sign in using your school Gmail account. It should have isd194.org at the end. I will type in mine. Yours will be different, but it will have at isd194.org at the end. Press return to go to the next screen and then type in your password. Press go and you will be signed in. Down at the bottom, you can see different ways to look at your Google Drive. I always like to press the folder on the bottom right. That way you can see all your folders and any extra files that you have. When you want to add something to your Google Drive, you can press the plus at the bottom right. And then upload photos and videos, and it will go to your camera roll. Go to Recents, and you can choose a picture or video to upload. If you would like to share this with your teacher, press the three dots, go to Share at the top, and type in your teacher's email. After you find your teacher's email, there will be an arrow at the bottom to send to your teacher. I hope this helps.